Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's something that Umpumelelo said that just, kind of raised my eyebrows about character kaLwandle, you guys. Now we've seen uLwandle, Tulele, guys, it seems like he's the innocent one, but I'm just like, you see these quiet ones, guys, be careful of them, because Mpumelelo, remember guys, we know he has a security company. He said before he started his security company, he went to uLwandle and told uLwandle that, listen, Bafo, I want to start the security company. Let's start it together. Ne? uLwandle decides to take that idea ayoyitshela uma wakhe. Manje ke angazi ukuthi is it uMacele who then told uLwandle ukuthi no uLwandle, let's do this between me and you, mother to son, or uLwandle told uMacele as an idea of his own. Because I don't understand, why would uMacele be willing to support uLwandle in an idea that's not originally his? But a lot of people can say a lot of things about uMacele, guys, but when it comes to parenting, she is a no-nonsense taker. She doesn't catch her children when it comes to parenting, you guys. So I am just going to choose to believe ukuthi uLwandle pitched the idea ye security company uma wakhe as if it was his own. And obviously, as a mother, you want to assist your child. And then, uMacele jumped in and said, okay, no, I'm gonna help you. What's what I know people and what's what. Because Mpumelelo says when he asked uLwandle about it, for what's going on, let's get this started. uLwandle said that no, umawakhe has uzomsiza and whatnot. And Mpumelelo decided to not entertain it and leave it like that. All I'm gonna say is that it looks like Mpumelelo is actually a bit better than some of us, because some of us would not have considered uLwandle as a close brother after doing that. And we can all see Mpumelelo still considers uLwandle as a close brother. Anyway, guys, I just think that was shady. And because of that, I'm just like, uLwandle, I'm tamed, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.